In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back missing old emails in Outlook. If you've noticed older messages aren't showing up, don't worry, Outlook has a few places where emails can hide, and we'll walk through each one clearly so you can restore what you need. Start in Outlook by opening the Deleted Items folder in the left pane. This is often where emails go if they were removed accidentally. Sort by date so you can quickly scan older time periods, and try reversing the sort order to bring the oldest items to the top. Use the search box if you remember a sender or a keyword. When you find messages you want, right-click and choose Move, then pick your inbox or any other folder to put them back where they belong. Next, check the junk email folder. Sometimes legitimate mail is filtered by mistake. If you see messages that shouldn't be there, select them and choose Not Junk, then confirm Not Junk to return them to your inbox. This also helps teach Outlook that similar messages aren't spam in the future. If your folder still looks sparse, your view settings may be hiding items. Go to the View tab, select View Settings, then Filters, and clear any active filters that might be limiting what you see by date, category, or other criteria. If you're unsure what changed, click Reset View to restore the default layout. This is a quick way to reveal emails that were present but hidden by a custom view. Older messages can also be missing because Outlook is only syncing a recent window of time. To change that, go to File, then Account Settings, then Account Settings again. Select your email account and click Change. Find the setting that reads Download Email for the past and set it to All. After you apply the change, restart Outlook so it can fully resync and pull down older messages from the server. Depending on your mailbox size and connection, this can take a little time. Let it finish. Finally, use the search bar at the top to run a precise search. Click the filter icon, then apply a date range that covers the years you're missing and add keywords from the sender, subject, or content you remember. This approach scans all folders, including archives, so it's ideal for tracking down messages that were moved or filed away. Follow these steps in order, and you should quickly uncover where those older emails went and restore them safely. If something reappears, move it back to a permanent folder so it doesn't get filtered again. Thanks for watching.